This is Adam sleeping and snoring. Adam says Mom snores. Mom doesn't snore. Adam snores. Good night, Adam.